Hey everyone, I'm Mike from Pantry Exploits. A few months ago, I put out a message into a Buy Nothing group asking people if they had any old monitors, laptops, computers, whatnot. I was interested in picking them up and seeing how I can reuse them. So, with that, you might also be asking, why am I sitting in a fairly dark room? There's not that much in the way of sunlight coming through. I wanted to show you this. With one of those old monitors, I turned it into an LCD panel, or an LED panel, I should say. So this is an old Dell monitor. As you can see from the back of it, it's an old Dell. And this bracket here, this goes into a stand, which came with this model monitor. Which is one of the reasons why I did decide to use this specific monitor to turn into a light panel. So I can go ahead and do this. There, helps when I'm actually looking at it. I can take the stand itself, reconnect that. Now I have a stand for a light panel, which can be used for photography, YouTube videos, as I'm doing right now, whatever, Zoom calls, video calls, whatever. So this is one of the things which I've done so far in terms of this upcycling project. There will be more to come, and the question is, what can we do with our old technology to reuse it? Well, this light box is one. There are several other things, and for better explanation, I'm going to include a link to DIY Perks, where the gentleman on the channel describes in much better detail than myself about how to create one of these light boxes from an old monitor. I hope you guys like this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel. We're going to have more videos with the upcycling soon. So if there is anything you guys want to see, leave some comments down below. And see you in the next video. Take care.